And I know you mentioned that you specifically work more so on the industrial decarbonization sector. So can you explain to us a little bit of how does that differ from other sectors? What do you mean by the industrial decarbonization? Like what are specific examples of industrial decarbonization?
Instead of things like electricity or transportation, when we're talking about industrial decarbonization, we're talking about factories and like large scale materials production. So we're thinking about like chemicals, all the chemicals that are made, like maybe you find them in like a waterproof jacket or you find them in toothpaste, you find them like in paint. All that chemical making also takes a lot of energy. So we gotta change that energy source or like change that industrial process so that it uses less energy, period, right? So it's like finding all these ways. The goal at the end of the day is just to reduce the amount of emissions in that process. Um, so that's like what the industrial decarbonization means. So we really have this like manufacturing point of view. I think it's a bit more so than like just wind and solar replacing like a, natural gas plant. It's like we want to make this material. How do we make this material using like renewable energy, less energy, or other ways, or reduce demand for that material? So yeah, that's industrial decarbonization.